Hey guys, I just want to give you another update, a very quick update on the progress of my hair. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In case this is the very first video you've stumbled upon on my channel, I am Shama from Happy Living Now, where we share everything money management, maximizing wealth, and living a happy and rich life. Of course, I am here with another update in my microloc installation series, so it relates to the lifestyle part of this channel. And so, in case you've not seen my other videos, go ahead and feel free to check out the microloc installation playlist that I'll go ahead and link above right here for you to check, and down in the description box as well. But today is June 29th, and I am here with another update in the Microloc installation series. Honestly, I am not even aware at this point what number video update this is, but as I'm sure you would have already known from the title of this video, you would have already figured it out. So I just wanted to come and do another quick update, really, as to the progress of my hair, what's happening, whether I'm done. Obviously, as you saw from the thumbnail of this video, I am not done, but I would say I'm probably 3/4 of the way done. So the last time you saw me in the last Microloc installation update video, I told you that I had installed 49 locks here, and I had just finished this part, but I had not counted it yet. So when I went back after I did that update, I went back and counted my hair. I had actually installed 50 locks on this left side, and this side was, I don't remember how much. So total for the front side after I was done added up to about 97 locks, I believe. And so since the last time you saw me, the last update video, I worked on the entire half left side of my hair, the back left of my head. If you remember the parting system that I had, and I will go ahead and kind of link a video, part of the that video for you to check it out on the screen. But the parting system that I had back here, I had sectioned a little piece here, and I had 3 sections right here. So I finished the left back side of my head over the span of 3 or 4 days. So at this point, today is June 29th, tomorrow Sunday is June 30th. It would have been a month tomorrow since I started my hair. Why am I not done yet? I don't know. There are many excuses that I could tell you guys. And I'm gonna stop right here and apologize if you're hearing any background noise, because I have dogs and they're probably walking up and down, and I think one of them is actually trying to hear that? One of the dogs is actually like literally sniffing underneath the bathroom door and trying to get in. I apologize for that. But yeah, from the last update video, I installed these locks back here over the span of about 3 or 4 days with just a little bit of locks over the span of those days. I was really hoping that I would have been done with this hair when I first started. I didn't think it was gonna take me like a month to actually be done with my hair. Now, mind you, it's not like a month of 30 days consistent and consecutive installation of locks. It's been really sporadic over the 30 days, sometimes going a whole week or majority of a week and not having installed any locks. But I really didn't think that it was gonna take me a whole month, 30 days or more, to do my hair and still not be done. I thought it was gonna take me maybe a couple weeks at most and I'd be done. But it seems like the moment I decided to start my hair, it's like everything started coming up in my schedule and interrupting my schedule, in terms of like, I kind of had quite a few court appearances for clients over the past couple of weeks. So it's like, of course, that interrupts my schedule. I can't get as much as I want done. And, other stuff with just, if it's not court appearances, actually working on other files at home and other cases. and getting stuff done around the house, and it's like before you know it, the time has flown by and you don't know what happened. So that's where I'm at. But it's like now that I'm on the last leg, and I'm just at this point, literally I'm tired. I just want to be done at this point. One, because I've started this quite a while ago, and honestly it seems like by the time I'm done with this whole head, it's gonna be time for me to basically retighten this part of my hair, because I started on the left front side of my head first. So honestly, in 3 weeks I can already feel some growth. You know, the hair has loosened up quite a bit, and you know, it is what it is. But I just want to be done at this point. It's obviously taken quite a bit longer than I expected. And two, my birthday is in a week. At this point, I'm still in the last minute. I'm still in last minute birthday planning session. Obviously by the time you're watching this video, my birthday would have come and gone, because I know for sure I will not have time edit and upload all those videos for you to see before my birthday. So yeah, my birthday is coming up and I want to be done with this hair. That's, you know, so I'm using that as a pushing and motivating factor to really get me to finish this hair as soon as I can. But so this is how far I am. I apologize because my hair has not been washed in like 3 weeks since I last washed it and started installing these locks. As you can see, the hair at the front, the tips and the ends have coiled up quite a bit, and they've curled up here. But this is where I'm at. I am experiencing a little bit of flaking now since I started, because I've not been attending to my scalp how I would usually if I were not installing locks. Normally I would oil them, or my hair would have been washed every week or every 2 weeks. But since it's basically a month tomorrow since I last washed my hair, so you know, I'm experiencing a little bit of dry scalp. But I just want to give you, you know, just show you an update of my hair. So this is what the hair is looking like. I actually just finished this back here, and I hope you can hear me. So I have installed all of this, and then I'm hoping I can start this side tonight and continue and maybe finish by Monday. I'm hoping that I can finish this side, because honestly I'm tired of wearing either wigs when I have to go to court or when I have to step out wearing a hat. I'm tired of it, especially with all this heat. But yeah, that's where I'm at. As you can see, my undercut here, it's growing a bit, and I'm actually trying to figure out if I should just shape it down a little bit more, you know, to finish it up for the summer and keep the low cut for the summer, because the hair is growing since I cut it. So I'm trying to figure out if I should just cut it again and keep it that low for the rest of the summer, and then once it starts growing for the fall, install the back. But so far lock count is about let's see, I just finished installing 18 in the last section I did. So lock count is about 171 locks installed so far in my hair. So it looks like by the time I would have been done this right back section of my hair, and even when the entire back section back here grows in and gets installed, I'm probably looking at well over 300 locks by the time all of this is said and done, because the locks I installed very tiny, very small, and I won't be surprised if as the hair grows out that I decide I want to combine some of them. But they're not tiny but they're still relatively small. So so yeah, that's as you can see, the parting, and I hope you can see that the parting, I try to keep it pretty consistent. I use a mirror and to part my hair. The last row back here, I had a little trouble installing the last row, the bottom row here, because what I realized in installing that bottom row is some of the breakage that I was experiencing back here, which is why I cut my hair in the first place, had already made its way up here. So in certain sections back here, like here, I was experiencing breakage right there as well. Compared to this lock, you can see this lock is pretty tiny, and so is this one. So back here, the breakage had already started making its way up. So I'm hoping that once I'm done and I start treating and taking care of my hair, that the hair will fill in, and you know. But hopefully next time you see me, I will have been done with this hair or close to being done. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box below. Let me know your thoughts. I am enjoying the process so far though, but at this point, this girl just wants to be done with her locks. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this update video. You guys will catch me in the next update. Until then, be happy, live rich, be blessed. Bye guys.